Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to cook something that's from the Philippines, and it's going to be called Yema. Yema is a sweet that's found in the Philippines. You get it in the 7-Eleven store, which is like a corner shop. If you're from the UK, we don't have 7-Eleven, but we do have corner shops, so it's the equivalent of that. I believe they sell it in the sari stores. So each shop, each street has a sari store. That's basically like a mini grocery. You get bread, you get milk, you get all sorts. And one of the sweets that you see the kids and adults, because it's delicious, is Yema. They always have this, and this dessert is quite famous because it's got a long history. It descends all the way back from the colonial period, which they were in power for 400 years. You may see that a Filipino, they have a Spanish sounding name, but that doesn't mean they're not Filipino. They're absolutely pure Filipino, but it's because they've been colonized by Spain. So the name may be Bostos, for example, Mikey Bostos. So this is from Spain, but when the Americans took over, they were also in power for about 100 years, and the recipe changed. When it was colonized by Spain, the Yema, it was with butter, milk, but the difference was when the Spanish were there, they had just milk from a cow and goat or whatever it was. When the Americans came, they brought a slightly different twist on the recipe, and this is what we're doing today. We've got the eggs, we've got the butter, but this is condensed milk, so slightly different recipe, but it's a modern version of the Yema, and it's absolutely delicious. My wife is an expert cook, so my wife's going to be doing all the cooking. I'm just the taster. Masarap. Alright guys, let's get to it. Right guys, we've finished making the Yema. We're just wrapping it up as we speak. Here we go, there's the one in the packaging. Got quite a few in there already. There's wrappings of about 200, so there's plenty of Yema to go around. And I'm going to try one now because I can't wait any longer. Here we go. This is the kind of one that you buy on the store, in the sari store. The one in the 7-Eleven, it comes in a different wrapping, but it's the same thing. Really nice. It's still warm, so it's when it goes cold, it gets a little bit crunchy. You can have it warm, you can have it cold. It's still delicious, even if it's warm, and it's delicious because it tastes like dairy. You've got the milk, you've got the eggs, you've got the sugar, and it's really nice, really buttery. In fact, I'm going to try another one. And this will be the last one, because if I keep on going, then there's going to be none left, because these are really Moorish, and the more you eat them, the more you want them. So I'm going to have to pace myself. I'm going to try one more. Look how beautiful it is. It's a pyramid shape. And when it goes cold, this bit here, it goes crunchy, because I think it's because of the sugars, and it's delicious. Masarap. Okay, I'm going to leave it there because, as I say, I'm going to eat the whole lot otherwise. Until next time, Let me know how you make your yema, and if you feel like there's a different way to make it that you think I'd like to try. Yeah, leave a comment in the section below. Give me a like, give me a subscription if you haven't already, and yeah, share this video with your friends. It's absolutely delicious. Until next time, in Gatkar.